Hey everybody, my name is Laura. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm just going to be showing you some new hair wraps that I put in my hair and showing you how I put in another one. So I'm super excited. I spent the week just making all of these hair wraps. I'm like so excited. Summer's coming, and with summer I just like to have really bright hair. So I already put in this one wrap over here. This is like one of my favorite wraps I've ever had. I got it last year at an event that I was selling my hoods at, and there was another girl, she was selling like awesome macrame jewelry and stuff, and she had this little hair wrap that I got from her. And it used to have a pile of feathers on them, but they've all fallen out now because I wore it too much. But anyway, I just keep moving it around my head. So I put it in here, and then I also just added like a few little, like this little blue one here, and I had a little tiny thing here. I've got a green one here, and then I have an old yellow one over here. And so then I made this new one, which is right here. It says super, super long, colorful. I put a tassel on the end and some beads, and I think it's gonna look super cool in here. So what I'm gonna do is, I guess I'm gonna attach it onto one of my dreadlocks right down here and just have it pretty well right there. So what I did was, when I made it, I had double lengthed all of my strings, my embroidery threads, and so I have a little loop up at the top here. And what I did was I put a string through the loop, and then I tied a little knot onto it. And I'm gonna file this string through the top of my dread and then tie it to it. So I'll find the one. I'm gonna do this one right here. And I'm just gonna take the rest of my hair and secure it over there. And okay, so what I like to do to make sure that this is going to stay in really nice and well is I'm going to make a little hole up in the top of my dread here, and I'm going to file the string through it. And this way I'm sewing, like, where I'm tying this into my dread, and then the new, like up above it, it's gonna just, all the hairs are gonna dread, and this is going to be really, really stuck inside there. Put that there. And then I'm just going to tie it to it. Oh my gosh, I cannot see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay. And I'm just gonna put a few knots in here, tying it really nice and tight. And I'm so excited for this. So excited. There. And I'm just going to secure the bottom just by grabbing these and putting them back and forth over top of this, just to secure it even more. And then again, tie a few extra knots. So this is important if you do this, to make sure that your strings are really long, because if you do tiny ones and you run out of string, it's super annoying. And one more if I can. Awesome. Done. Sweet. And I love these because they're so fast to do. The longest part is just spending the time to make wraps. And we'll take this out, see how it looks in there. Awesome, awesome. It's so nice and bright. I made another one, this one, and I was going to put it in my hair, but although it's nice, I didn't think it looked as nice as this really big long one. They don't totally go together, but I might put it up next to it just for an added extra piece of brightness, because they all look so good in there. I just keep putting more and more, get like 100 going. Yeah, cool. So there we go. That's my newest hair wrap. Probably as the year goes on, summer at least, I'm gonna keep putting them in here. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my hair video. Like, subscribe, let me know what you think. See you all next week, guys.